How to unfollow everyone on TikTok. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you how you can easily unfollow everyone on TikTok. First thing you need to do is open up TikTok right here and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Now if I tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, here I'm able to see my profile with the following list, followers and likes. So what I can do is go ahead and tap on following, and then I'm able to see all of my following list. So if I want to remove my following list, what I can do is just go ahead and tap right besides the name where it says following. And if I keep tapping, I'm able to unfollow everyone just like so. Now this might take a really long time if you have many following list, but this is the only way as of now. What you can also do is just go ahead and try to contact TikTok's help and support team. So in order to do that, what I'll do is go back, tap on the three lines, then I can go to settings and privacy, scroll down all the way, tap on report a problem, scroll down all the way again, submit a report, and here you can briefly explain that you want to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once and they might be able to help you. That's basically it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one.